Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain how to remove this white background from this image. Generally we will search for PNG images without background and we expect these type of images, but when we copy them into the PowerPoint we will find this white background. How to remove this white background? Simple trick. First select this image and format, collection, and select this brightness 20% column, any one. So I'm taking brightness 20% and contrast 0. And now color and set transparent color. Now click here and we can remove the white background using this simple trick. Now I will remove white background for this image. Just select and brightness 20% and contrast 0. I'm taking brightness 20% and contrast -40 and color set transparent and click here. We can remove backgrounds using this simple trick. And it is already white color, so color, set transparent color and remove. So in this way we can remove white backgrounds using simple trick in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, press like button and subscribe this channel for more videos. Keep watching. Thank you.